Material world. I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw these steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth. Material world. And I get it from my mammy, Balmain, bust downs. These ain't stand me. Material world. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile.
Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Brianna Blanco, and if you're new here, welcome to the team. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already because your girl is back, she's better, and she's lit. Okay, so today is going to be a little bit of a short video. I'm just showing you guys how I make my Girl Gainz smoothies. Girl Gainz, it is an amazing protein powder, and I was fortunate enough to be sent some of their products. Sorry, Girl Gainz, I've been horrible with my uploading, but I'm back, girl. I am back. Now, a little bit about Girl Gainz. It's a protein powder. It's a weight gain protein powder. Has about 1,400 calories in it, a little bit more than that. But it's a black-owned woman business, and you know we support a black girl boss around here, period. So you know I have to support. I'm not even gonna have her send me another bottle. I'm just gonna buy it myself because I love it that much. It is a little bit on the pricier end. I believe it is $89, but it is worth every penny. Believe me, guys, trust me. If you saw my last video, you know that I gained about 7 pounds from it, so you know it was worth it. I have no reason to lie. I have no reason to do any of that. These are my honest opinions. If the powder didn't work, if the protein powder was gross, by all means I would say, hey girl, don't waste your coin. But you're not wasting your coin with Girl Gainz. I have the vanilla powder, and I also have the maca root. I love it to death. Like I said, I'm not even gonna have her send me another one. I'm just gonna buy it myself because I love it that much. Okay, so with my smoothies, like I said, there's about 1,400, a little bit over 1,400 calories. Basically, my smoothies are really basic. I'm gonna show you guys how I make them, but they're really basic. I just use either juice or milk, fruit, and the protein powder, and I blend it all together. Nothing big. I'm actually probably going to start adding peanut butter to them just to give it a little bit more calories. So with the protein powder itself and then all the ingredients that I add is probably roughly around 1,500 calories in each smoothie, and I drink that twice a day. So that's about 3,000 calories a day just based off the smoothies. That's it. If you want to use this as a meal replacement, you totally could, and you'd get all your calories, drink 3 of these a day, and you'll probably be fine. But I do that along with eating, so these are just like add-ons basically for me to get extra calories. So before I left you guys, I was about 143 pounds, somewhere around there. I'll post a picture of what I used to look like, but I slacked off really bad, so now I'm back down to 120. I actually was a little bit less a couple days ago, but I started using my Girl Gainz and I started taking a petamin, so I was about 116, 117. Now I'm back up to 120. So in about 3 days I gained about 2 or 3 pounds. I could be a little bit more than that now. I'm actually gonna weigh myself and go ahead and put it here so we can see where I'm at today. But your girl about to get back popping, period. Where have I been, guys? I'm sorry, I'm a little rambling, but I missed you guys. I've just been going through a lot. Your girl's a part-time nail tech now, so if you're in the Bay Area, go ahead and you want to get them nails slayed. I don't have them on right now because I work in healthcare, but go ahead, I'm gonna put my page below so you can check out my work for that too. But that's not really what this is about. I just had to self-promote, you know, and I had to self-promote my best friend. My best friend, she is the Chanel label on Instagram. She makes handmade, oh, focus on the bangle, not me. She makes handmade designer bangles. This is one of them right here. Check her out. She sells bangles, she sells clothes, she has wristlets, designer wristlets, all the above. Like, I love these to death. I have about four sets now at this point, so go ahead and check her out while you're checking out everything else. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and insert me making my smoothie now, and I'll be back once I'm done.
Girl Gainz protein powder. Bring it up so you guys can see how many calories are in it. You're gonna need any kind of frozen fruit or fresh fruit, and some juice. I use the Landers brand. So let's get started. So I have my cup here. I had a smoothie in it not so long ago, but so first course, I start by putting a couple scoops of it, couple scoops of fruit into the cup. Hope you guys can see that. Yes. So I kind of fill the whole bottom up, and then I add a little fruit, and then I take 1 scoop of my Girl Gainz. 1 scoop. So 1 scooper full. So that's how big the scooper is. Actually, not that big. I add 1 scoop, and then I add a little bit of juice. Just because I have a little magic bullet, so it's like pretty small. I need to get a bigger one so I don't have to do this. It's so complicated. But then I add more fruit. Open the other one up. So I add a little bit more fruit, but let me open this. Sorry, my fruit looks like it's freezer burnt, but it's gonna have to do right now. More fruit, more fruit. You can put however much fruit you want to put in it. And I add another scoop of the protein powder. So that makes it 2. And then I add more juice. And then you just give it a good blend.
And just like that, you got you a Girl Gainz protein smoothie. And then I just transfer it into like a little mason jar. And in this smoothie, probably has about almost 1,500 calories in it. Alrighty. As you can see, smoothies are nice and simple. That's about it. I'll be back. My next video is going to be what I eat in either a week or a day, so you guys can see what I eat. I really don't eat nothing super healthy, which you probably should do. Don't listen to me. That's just how I eat. And so I'm going to be filming that, and also a workout routine, because your girl has to work out this time, because what she doesn't need is a tummy. She doesn't need a panza. She don't need none of that. We're trying to get her flat, right, and tight, and keep this waist tiny and small. So I'm going to be working out this time around for sure. The gyms are closed because of this COVID stuff, unfortunately, so I'm going to be doing some home workouts. I'm going to film that for you guys as well. And then I'm probably going to do an update, weight gain update every 2 weeks. Most likely, because my life is a little hectic, so I can't promise you guys that I'm gonna have a video update every week, but I'm for sure gonna have one every 2 weeks. But other than that, it was nice seeing you guys. I would like to thank you guys again, if I haven't already, for the 900 subscribers, and I have over 100,000 views. I couldn't thank you guys enough. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I've been patiently waiting. I've been getting subscribers and I haven't even been posting, so it's only up from here. Other than that, it was nice talking to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, and yes.